Do you want to know how you can log into your SGW Payroll account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to How to Log In. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your SGW Payroll account. Go ahead and open any browser and go to the search bar to search for SGW Payroll Login. You can see this link over here. If you click on the first link, it will directly take you to the login portal, but if you click on the second link, it will take you to this official site where you can see login option. So you can find the login option from here and log into your account as well. But if you have clicked on the first link, it will directly take you to the official login portal. So go ahead and click on the first link and write down your username or email address in this box. After you write down your your email address or your user ID, go ahead and go to the password and write down your password down there, and then click on this icon to check your password once again and click sign in. This way you can easily access your SGW Payroll account. If in case you have forgotten your password, click on this link and you can reset your password quite easily. I hope this video about how you can log into your SGW Payroll account was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.